Let's take the derivative of arc secant of 5x to the 8th. Start by differentiating both sides with respect to x, so dy dx equals d dx of arc secant of 5x to the 8th. And notice that we have a function 5x to the 8th nested within another function arcsecant, which means we're going to want to work towards using chain rule. So let's set a u value equal to 5x to the 8th, and we can rewrite this as dy dx is equal to d dx of arc secant of u. And now is where we get the opportunity to chain rule, because we have a function in terms of u and we're differentiating with respect to x. So dy dx is equal to du dx times d du of arc secant of u. Now up here we have u equals 5x to the 8th, so we can differentiate both sides with respect to x, and using the power rule, the derivative of 5x to the 8th is going to be 8 times 5 is 40, x to the 8 minus 1 is 7. So we have du dx is equal to 40x to the 7th times d du of arc secant of u. Well, we already worked out the derivative of arc secant in the primary derivation video. So we have that equals 1 over, not x, 1 over u squared times the square root of 1 minus 1 over u squared. And we can rewrite this by first multiplying and also undoing our u substitution, because we've taken the derivative. So dy dx equals 40x to the 7th times 1 is equal to 40x to the 7th, and that's all going to be over. We set up here that u is equal to 5x to the 8th. So let's insert 5x to the 8th where we see the u's. So 5x to the 8th squared times the square root of 1 minus 1 over 5x to the 8th squared. And let's rewrite that one more time as dy dx equals 40x to the 7th over 5. We'll actually square this whole thing. So 5 squared is going to be 25. X to the 8th squared is x to the 16th, because 8 times 2 is 16, times the square root of 1 minus 1 over, and 5x to the 8th squared is the same in both cases, so we have 25x to the 16th again. And we can actually reduce this a bit. So let's divide the top and the bottom by 5. So 40 divided by 5 is 8. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And we can't make any further divisions there, so let's move on to the exponents. X to the 7th divided by x to the 16th is going to cancel out in the top and give us x to the 9th in the denominator. And we are done.